I'm Anil Kumar, and this video is for my student Raneem. Raneem, as I said, sometimes it is helpful to simplify the fraction first and then add, and for that I've made a video for you. So let's look into these questions. Adding fractions. Sometimes it helps to simplify and then add fractions. Here are three different examples for you. You can actually copy them, try to simplify, add the fractions, and then check with my solution. The first one is 1 over 4 plus 3 over 6. The second one is 4 over 6 plus 5 over 15. And the third one is 12 over 18 plus 8 over 12. Let us see how to do it. Now 1 over 4 plus 3 over 6. As you can see, 3 over 6 you can divide both by 2. Rather 3, sorry. So if you divide by 3, you get 1 over 2. Do you see that? So we could write the first fraction as equal to 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2. Now, to add, we need common denominator. Now, 4 is a multiple of 2, so we can just multiply the second term here by 2 and 2 in the numerator and 2 by denominator. That is to say, I'll multiply these by 2 and then write down my fraction. So I have an equivalent fraction as 1 over 4 plus 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. Once I have same common denominators, we can add. 1 plus 2 is 3, so we get 3 over 4 as our answer. So that is how we are going to do them. Let us do one more and appreciate this strategy. 5 over 15, both can be divided by 5. 5 times 1 and 5 times 3. 4 over 6, both can be divided by 2. 2 times 2, 2 times 3. So what do we get as equivalent fractions? 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3, right? We already have common denominators, just add the numerators. We get 3 over 3, as you know, 3 over 3 is 1. See how simple it becomes, right? If you are not doing this, then you're trying to multiply by 6 and 15 such big numbers. It is going to be very difficult. Now let's look into the last one here. 12 over 18. Can you simplify this one? Well, we could divide both by 2. We could also divide both by 6, correct? So let's divide them by 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. The second term here, let's divide by 2 first. So we get 4 and we get 2 times 6. Well, still we can divide by 2, so we get 2 and 3. So we could simplify in steps just as I did, right? So what do we get here? We get equivalent fraction 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3. When you add them, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 over 3. It is a good practice to write them as mixed numbers. This is improper fraction. So we'll divide 4 by 3. Let me remind you that how to do it. So we are going to divide 4, the bigger number comes here, by 3. So when you do that, what do you get? 3 goes one time, right? The remainder is 1. So we could write this 1 first, which is 1, 1 over 3, 1 over 3. So that becomes our answer for the given question. So that is how you can simplify the fractions and then add them after making common denominator. If you get your answer which is improper fraction, it is a good practice to write this as a mixed number, which you could do by division as shown here. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.